Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are installing this lace frontal wig from hairvivi.com completely gluelessly. I'll show you guys start to finish how I did this, and I am not using a ball cap. If you're interested in seeing how I did this install completely glueless, definitely continue watching. Here is how the wig initially came packaged in this beautiful luxurious box. It came with instructions, an information pamphlet, a True-Scalp tape that I ended up not using. Along with this, there was a thank you card and an exclusive membership information card as well. Along with the information pamphlet and all the loads of goodies that come with your wig, you also get a return service card just in case if the wig is not to your liking. Now let's get into the actual unit. I did order a 13x6 lace frontal HD clear lace wig. This is a 22-inch length unit. It came pre-curled, the hairline came pre-plucked, the knots were pre-bleached, and there was an adjustable elastic band attached inside of the unit. I did order a size large lace frontal wig because a lot of the times regular wigs, like regular lace frontal wigs, tend to not fit my head, so I'm glad that Hairvivi offers large cap wigs because this definitely worked in my favor. Here's how the hair initially looked. As I said, it was already pre-curled and ready to wear, so all I had to do was braid my hair. I'm showing you all that I'll be using a brown cap to do this wig install. Of course, I have to clean my hairline because I'll be using my lace gel, which you can use to lay your lace for daily wear, but I'll be using it to lay down my edges because it's safe for your hair. It's safe to use on your hairline. There's no hair loss that comes from using this lace gel, and I want to pretty much slick back my hair because I'll be using another type of adhesive. I won't be using glue as stated in the beginning of this video. I will not be using glue, but I will be using a different type of adhesive just to lay the lace down. So here is the brown cap. It is still a little light, but that's okay because I will be going in with some makeup to kind of help it blend in. We're not doing a ball cap and we're not using glue for this install because there is no need for it. Look at how this wig just sits on my hairline. It did come pre-plucked. I did not do any customization to this unit whatsoever. This is literally how the wig came from hairvivi.com. These mini shears really do help with cutting the lace off as they're small enough to get around the ear tab area. Mind you, this wig fit very snug on my head, so I really didn't have to cut too much of the tab from my ear. I literally just had to cut like a very small amount of lace, and I did trace along my hairline and cut the lace off like so, just so that when it comes down to me actually installing the wig, it will be very simple and easy for me to lay the lace before my hairline. So here I am just going in with some makeup to tint that cap. As you guys can see, I am tinting just the cap and I'm making sure that no makeup gets back on my hairline. And I did use some of that makeup on the lace itself, so you guys can see right here it is tinted to match my skin tone. Going in with my hot comb just to kind of gather the hairline together. Y'all, there were no flyaways on this wig and I love that. Like, the quality is definitely superb. Now here is the star of the show, my holding spray. This acts as an adhesive, but it literally comes off with just the use of water. It does not create any hair loss or anything as long as you are using it correctly. So you guys see that I spray it on my skin. I try not to spray it on my hair. Even if I do spray it on my hair, like I said, all I have to use is water to get it right off. Like, it literally comes off with water. So I like to use this spray for daily wear, whether I'm wearing a frontal or a closure wig. It definitely does the job. After I do this, I go in with my melt band, let it melt. And here are the results. I am going to go back in with a little bit of contour, my contour makeup, just to kind of combat any flashback or anything like that. And I am going to clean along my hairline where the spray kind of like got away. So here is how it's looking after I did that. Clean hairline. The lace is super duper laid, and I am going to touch up some of the curls in the hair. It did come pre-curled, so I'm only going along, I'm only curling the hair that's along my face. Yeah, just really curling the front of the wig, not too much, because the look that I'm going for was not really something that was too put together, which is why I didn't cut layers or anything like that in the unit. I just wanted something very loose, flowy. The hair itself, like the wig itself, is already a natural density, so there was not much that I really needed to do. So I definitely was going for more so like an effortless look, something that I could do every day. So yeah, just by curling the frontal pieces of hair and touching up any of the curls that I saw in the back, I just created a nice effortless loose wavy hairstyle in this wig. And here is the outcome. This is again a 13x6 22-inch 160% density lace frontal wig. The lace is definitely giving HD lace. It's super thin. It was easy to blend. It was easy to melt. It just made this whole look just amazing. Like, it looks so good, and I'm very happy with the outcome. Let me know what you all think about this entire install from start to finish. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, found it super helpful. I'll leave the link to this wig down below in the description, along with any available coupon codes so that you all can save at checkout. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.